So good morning everybody. This week is the third week of our work from home setup and probably by next week babalik na tayo sa office. Yun, I just woke up and just gonna prepare for work. Okay. Akala ko may pabagsak na bomba. Umuulan pala. Okay, back to work. Alright guys, good morning. Let's have some coffee while working. Naligo na rin tayo kasi I've been struggling 4 days now dahil sa, I don't know, it's like a skin allergy or something. So, hindi tayo makatulog ng maayos kaya medyo late din tayong nagigising. Nga pala guys, tapos na yung Ramadan so back to normal na tayo. Yung working hours natin until 6 p.m. na. Let's go! Lakas ng ulan guys. Pang-apat na araw na to. Simula nung Eid, sobrang lakas. Mas malakas ngayon. Mas mabaha pa. Tapos kapag nasa downtown ka, mabaha. Mabilis lang bumaha dito. Like, uulan ngayon, tapos mamaya babaha na. Ganun siya katindi. Ay! Kailangan ko na palang magsaing. Saing na siguro ako. Ay! Hindi palang magsasaing. Kaya ayoko rin minsan na nagsasahod ng maaga kasi nauubos agad. Ba't ganun? Kulat na natin ang ating delivery. Hello, brother. Thank you. Do you need signature? No. Thank you. So, ayun guys. Dumating na yung ating in-order na keyboard kagabi. Let's unbox this. Sheesh! So, bumili tayo ng wireless keyboard. This is branded by Red Dragon UCAL Pro 75% gasket mechanical keyboard. Inside this box, we have keyboard, user manual, dragon sticker, keycap switch and puller, and then we also have this spare switch and Type-C cable. Good morning everybody. I hope you are well and safe. So today ay medyo na late tayo ng gising dahil medyo napuyat tayo sa mga alarms and alerts na narinig natin kaninang umaga. So mga nakalipas na araw ko, konti lang yung mga alarms na narinig natin dahil interception ay nasa ibang Emirates. So ayan, hali na tayo nagising. Medyo na-late tayo sa ating work, kaya magka-catch up muna ako ngayon. Let's have some coffee! Coffee time! Pampagising. Back to office na tayo next week. Parang mas madilim ngayon. Ay, sobrang dilim nga. Grabe, ang lakas ng ulan. 5 days nang malakas ang ulan. Yung mga polis. And from time to time, lagyan silang nag-iikot. Okay, so saglit lang yung ulan guys, pero grabe na yung baha. Ewan ko nakikita nyo pero may truck doon na nagde-drain ng baha. Kailangan kong ayusin yung sa ilalim ng bed kasi basa. Shucks. Noong unang baha, mabilis lang siyang linisin kasi wala akong bed frame. Ngayon na may bed frame ako, hindi ko alam paano ko mapapatuyo yung sa ilalim. Paano ko ito tatanggalin? Nawala talaga sa isip ko kanina na tutulo. Masaglit lang yun. Magpiga. Paano ako makakalabas ng pinto? Nakaharang. Siyempre guys, nagpaalam din naman ako sa amo ko na maglilinis muna ako ng kwarto kasi binabaha yung kwarto ko. Paano na lang pala kung may pasok tapos biglang umulan, di ba? Eh di baha. Basang-basa guys. Salo queen. Aray. So, ayun guys, katatapos ko lang maligo kasi sobra yung pawis ko kanina habang naglilinis at naglilimas ng baha dito sa kwarto. Nag-order na lang din ako ng biryani for my lunch tapos mag-work na tayo ulit. So, hindi ko talaga inaasahan yung ulan kanina. Tumutulo kasi yung dun sa may window. Kaya mabilis lang siyang lumulusot dito sa kwarto. Kain tayo. After Eid, the rain just kept pouring and then everything escalated so quickly. Just yesterday, parts of the UAE were flooded in a matter of minutes. It honestly felt surreal watching how fast everything changed from normal streets to water-filled roads. And on a personal note, I had my own small struggle too. My window started leaking and my room got soaked. It's such a simple thing, but in that moment, it felt overwhelming. Like even inside my space, I couldn't really keep things under control. At the same time, there's still this ongoing uncertainty in the background of everything happening in the region. It's not always loud, but it's there, and it adds weight to everyday life in ways you can't always explain. But despite of all that, Dubai keeps moving, even when things feel unstable. And I guess that's what this week felt like for me. A mix of chaos, small personal struggles, uncertainty, and still choosing to keep going in the middle of it all.